Hello, this is the Cobra MT40VXEXT, which is an extension shaft to use on the multi-tool. And this is how it arrived. So what we're doing is cutting the box and the tape. I'll take it out and I'll show you how you can use it and attach it to the power unit. So this is the shaft extender out of the box, and you will have bought this because you've got a multi-tool power unit and some attachments and you just need more reach with it. So what I'll do, I'll get the power unit and an attachment and show you how you fit this. Here I've got the pole saw, which is essentially a mini chainsaw on a pole for reaching up high, and this is the power unit here, and they would connect together, and that is what we've got for doing some pruning up in trees and shrubs and that type of thing. But if you want to get a little bit higher, then this is the extension shaft. Very easy to fit. We're going to fit it in between them. So this is it. We take off the protector at the end here, keep that safe as we always do. We line it up with the directional arrow into the shaft. Make sure this is slackened off here and just give it a twist and it will click into position. And that's locked into position, and then we can tighten that up so that that can't vibrate, and then we repeat with this one. So again, the protective cover off and then line it through, so this arrow here in line with this, and give it a twist, and that's locked into position and that can be tightened. The reason we're twisting it is because we want the shaft that runs the full length to line up and lock into position like that. Tighten it up, and that is it. We've now got a long reach little mini saw that we can get high up into the trees, and when you're using it you can sort of see the height that you can get into. To take the extension out, it's just reversed really, so we slacken off here and then push the button on the top and that will twist out, and then once you've taken it out, always put the cap back on, and then we'll repeat that down there to get rid of the extension.
Remember to register your Cobra online at cobragarden.co.uk. Always have your Cobra serviced regularly. Check the website for your nearest dealer.